Hello, welcome to the Rini Tech Skills and Fundamental. For those who are new to this channel, here I am sharing my thoughts to help PG and PhD research scholar of electric engineering field. This is the third video of the series How to select a research topic in the field of electric engineering. In the previous video, we have discussed about selecting industries and selecting area. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel to get latest information and updates about the new video. So let's start with the application. There is the option students can either select application or topic according to their choice. But here I decided to first explain the application. So research application and research topic both are equivalently important. But let's discuss how application is more important, and if you know the application, then it will become easy to select the current topic. Even if you are selected and finalized already the topic, then also you require to select the particular application related to this topic. Suppose, let's say for the example, you have selected the area of power electronics and drive, and your topic is finalized like you want to work on the PMSM motor. So you can select the application, either you are selecting PMSM for the pump application or for the electric vehicle application. Let's say in the other way, if you have application in mind, that means you have decided, you have finalized that you want to work with the electric vehicle system. Then you can work with the PMSM, you can work with the different other motor, you can work with the hybrid electric vehicle drive, you can work on the battery charging system. So these all are topics related to power electronics. So after finalizing the area of power electronics and drives or any other, you can select first application or the topics. But application selection is more important, and let's discuss further more step by step why it is more important. The very first important thing is it will give you the idea about the current trend. So when you search the application, it will lead you to the current trend. What's happening in industries, what happening in worldwide in your research area. So it will definitely be benefited when you are working on current trend. On the publication issue also. Right now we are not going in depth and not discussing anything about the publication and paper writing. We will do it later in the series. Currently we are only focusing on the selecting the topic, but it will also benefit in the publication if your research topic is latest and current. The second thing, if you have selected the particular device or topic, then after selecting application, it will also help to finalize the rating. Suppose if you have selected the PMSM for the pump application, there will be difference in rating. If you have selected the PMSM or any other motor for the electrical vehicle application, then there will be difference in the rating and performance parameter of the motor. So application is important in this point also. It will help you to finalize and narrow down your topic. The next thing is, when you select the proper application, you are going to study new things, and it will benefit it because you already know the most of the things about electrical engineering, and when you involve yourself in studying the new things, then it will be better to add something more in your research. So if you have selected the PMSM for the pump application, you are going to design the system model of the pump. Also you will study their characteristic. Likewise, if you do it for the electrical vehicle application, you are going to study lots more in the vehicle dynamics and different other things related to this application. So it will also helpful. The next, it will also help you in the result comparison. So when you take the different result and when you do the different analysis on your research topic, if your application is specific, it will definitely better way to compare the result, because you have selected the application from the current trend which is available in the market. You will get the different result to compare easily. Most important thing is you will also get the industry support. You will come to know different industries when you select the application, and It will help to get more data and analysis from the industrial side also and for the collaboration also. So when topic get the application, it will be benefited from the industrial point of view also. So ultimately, selecting the application will reduce and narrow down your complexity of the area, and it will become more compact and more focused area when you select the application with the topic. So if application is in your mind, then later on you can decide the topic, and if topic is in your mind, then you can decide the application. So at this stage, if you have different application in mind, note it down, or if you have different topics in your mind, then note down that topics. Later on you can merge with the application, and if you have the application, you can select the topic. The example of topics are switch reluctance motor, BLDC, then multi-level inverter, power system stability, power system protection. These all are the few examples of topics. An example of applications are electric vehicle system, battery charging system, then HVDC transmission lines, solar based pump. So these all are the example of application. The next things will comes in mind is how to search the application if we finalize the area but we do not have idea about the application or topic. Then there is the way to search the application or topic. You do not need to go to the IEEE Explore site and publications and paper. So don't search for the paper publication because they are very specific, but what you require to search the application or finalize the topic is go to the website like the IEEE Spectrum. If you go to the IEEE Spectrum or different magazines of electrical engineering, then you will find the different latest topic and you will have the idea about what is currently going on in your field. So I suggest the IEEE Spectrum, MIT's Technical Review is there. You can search for the MIT's Technical Review. You can also search the other magazine, but here are the few sites I recommended. One is Electric India, electricindia.in also a good one, and one is the Electric Engineering Magazine of the UK, .co.uk. So you can search this site. You might know about more magazines and websites related to electrical engineering, as I know. So go to their website and search for the particular area and topic and find out what is currently happening in world. The one more thing I wanted to add is don't just always search on the Google, but search this site also, in particular magazine also, because Google will not give you always the best result that what you want. Very good quality articles are there hidden in the web world due to Google will show you the best result according to search traffic. So it might be possible there are more very good article available, but you need to search for the particular magazine of your interest. So search for the magazine related to electrical engineering and look out what is happening in your area, so you can reach out to the particular application and you can finalize your topic. So up to now, if you have selected your area and if you have selected your topic or the application, list down it and find out the different related article to narrow down and finalize your application and topic. So hope you got idea about the selecting the application. In next video we will discuss more about the topic and how to finalize the topic and what is the difference between topic and title.